she annoy me. And she push me to the point where I couldn't take it no more. She not say that, you know. You see she do? She go and she buy this. She buy this. Why would you buy this? Why? Not to say that I'm not thankful for the rose, the teddy bear, and whatever it is. But why you buy the person gift? If the person is so awful and the person this to you and the person do that to you. People keep saying this person need real love. And at the end of the day, no matter what you do as a person, it's not good enough. I could remember I cried so much one night, one day, because I stay up all night with this person, all night. And this is my time, this is me pouring out, trying to just be there for a person genuinely. Right? Trying to actually be there as a human being. This person said them are going, giving themselves, allegedly, because I don't know if nothing goes so. The person said them are giving themselves to the police, right? Because a warrant was out to arrest them. And I was up on the phone from about 10 o'clock, late in a lot of time. A lot of time, because I did not know their destiny. So, you know, I sit up on the phone until about 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, until then start them destiny. Them journey, if I say, for go at the police station, at the next parish or state or whatever them call that place. And it's like, I could remember the next day, the person I got said to me, say, remember, you know, you're going to a whole police station, right? You're going to a whole police station. This is a whole police station I go. And as far as I'm concerned and what I know about criminal system or justice system or police station and them, so when they go courthouse or any police place, you know, if somebody knows say they're there, them should even take up them phones and them a call on your phone and them something. So I did not call the phone because I was thinking, look, she will call me when she come out to whatever. So I never did really, I think, say, to call because me and you already talked before you're going. You understand what I say? Me and you already talked before you're going. So me no need to call you or nothing like that. She end up calling me about 12 o'clock the day, in the afternoon. And you know what the girl I got said to me say, it actually made me cry. Because me I say, me genuinely, dead here, dead on the phone with you for hours before you actually go in to the police station and you are going to say, you give your brother the phone and me not even call the phone here. Me not even call. You didn't even give a phone call. I was like, what? I was like, I didn't even give a phone call. I didn't give the phone call. You went in to sort out your business. Why would I call the phone? You already gone in. Me not gonna call the phone while you're in at the police station. Suppose me not know what you are doing there. Me not want to call while even though somebody has your phone, your brother is not my friend. Why would I want to talk to your brother? Why? Yeah, she did that pride me for see how me feel about her. But why you do all of that for see how people feel about you? That is sick. That is a sadistic thing to do. If you need to go that far to see how people feel about you, you don't need to date people, brother. You don't need to date people. It's that simple. You got to straighten your own self and them something to see how people feel about you or how people react. That is not safe. You cannot do that. You see, when time the girl said that to me, guys, I cried.